Ocean, Yashanimu Yabako MPP party headquarters near Koshe. He said, make us say, one more ballote, Ashe, or Smesiano Bentin, baby, or Bedana 4th November. One more the abattoir or Ashe so say, Yenya Akua, Yen Retwaso, Yenya, Nimian Twaso, Nayam Consum for Fromo Kane, John Dramani Mahama, and what they out Electoral Commission penny 4 and him said. Limited voter registration exercise. Miem koko bia sabeya Ghana ni awaso sa wose e trade din no won so betumi atwe ne din bia Adom TV etwaso.
Kanema mpanyini John Dramani Mahama wonu na sese wotu Frankama NDC amanyoko no etwemu a voter registration abato commission eba beye no wonya wabra emubeda ho fan ama oman Ghana obibia ehunu mu bie otwemu se eyisi asede se enhyehyeye edaka mameka bia mamu ho no wode bedu dwuma ewo abato so na maparepare aye dwuma otwemu a so obi etimi ekoye voter ID wosa ya ade a ebe wonipa no a omre ho wa ba fontentai Facebook so a wone omanfo etwetwe nkomo and what it to just say Ghana ni bi ya wo kwan se woto aba e wo mayimu senti o de to abato commission enim se registration exercise a e ba be koso no omamunda ho fan na enipa dodo a wone wo moyi adwuma no wonfa metudwa emfa wonfo nyine enka ho se be ya obibi ya be hunu abato no ho hyehyeye ene de e koso Ochese wa chere hon krata dia koma abato commission ya twetwefo a woda NDC amanyoko nim ene de koye se supervisors registration officers registration assistant ene mpanifo a wamodi dwuma ewo edin twire ni mu no onfa wondi ene wonfo nyini emramatudwa na obia ehunu bi.
I'm here to encourage you wherever you are in Ghana or beyond that if you do not have a voter ID card, especially if you've just turned 18, please take advantage of this exercise which starts on September the 12th, 2023. Start making the necessary arrangements to register and get your voter's ID card. You and I have a collective responsibility to use our votes wisely to hold our leaders accountable and demand the change we desperately need. It is the surest way to secure our democracy. As young people, we must hold immense power in our hands. The upcoming limited voter registration exercise by the Electoral Commission is therefore an opportunity to start the process towards making your voices heard and shaping the future of our dear country, Ghana. Your vote in 2024 will symbolize your desire for a better Ghana, a determination to overcome the challenges we face, and your commitment to help build the Ghana we want together. A Ghana that guarantees you, your children, your siblings, and our unborn generations a brighter, sustainable future with well-paying jobs.